Welcome to Stitchin Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie, and I'm here today to share with you a beautiful quilt called Botanica Park. The great advantage of this quilt, which begins July 2024, which is a 13-month program, as this is a complete pre-cut program, which means Stitchin Heaven does all of the cutting and measuring for you. So all you have to do is sew and go. It's become very popular with our customers. They are really liking our pre-cut programs. This quilt measures 107 by 107, which will be a king-size quilt when completed. It does incorporate 14 timeless treasure batiks from the Tonga collection. And as you can see, the colors that are in this quilt is just absolutely beautiful. Just rendering a picture of a garden, botanical garden. We have greens and blues and blossom pinks and berries along with your lavenders and rich purples. This is a traditional pieced center block that you see here in the middle, surrounded by a patchwork of paths to create a stunning, stunning quilted garden. So let me just dig right in and share with you what will be in your first month package that you'll receive. So first of all, you're going to have all your fabrics that are all pre-cut, and I'll share with you once we get into the pattern how we determine that. So in your pattern, the first thing when you open it up, you'll see all the different blocks that you'll be making for each month. You'll also have a fabric key and a conversion chart, a grayscale conversion chart at the bottom, because throughout the pattern uses the grayscale. So you'll be able to refer back to this portion of your pattern to coordinate your colors. After that, you've got basically some general instructions. This is terrific, helpful piece. I love the Wing and a Prayer patterns because they are so clear in their directions. So you have some general instructions, and then it moves right on into your first month. And in your first month, you're going to be doing your rose blocks 1 and 2, which is what I have your fabrics for here. So basically, these fabrics will match up to the cuts that are indicated in your pattern, and then you've got your instructions. So throughout this pattern, you have each month basically designated for you. Now, in addition to your first month, we also include this beautiful welcome letter. This welcome letter is a wonderful tool that will give you information as to when your program bills. It'll tell you again how much or how long the program is. And then when you open up the beautiful welcome letter, you'll see a picture of your quilt. And then you have several links. And these are helpful links for you. You have a Facebook group link, a Fabric Keys link, a subscribe to our newsletter link, and then a link that will allow you to update any address or billing information. Now, one thing I do want to point out is our Facebook group. We really encourage everybody to who is participating in this quilt to join this Facebook group. It is a great place to share your tips and tricks and share your photos as you complete each block with all the other quilters that are in this Facebook group as well. And then on the back, we have some general information with regards to our store hours and our customer service hours. Again, our customer service team is there to help you as well. If you have any questions, they are available to assist. Now, if for some reason you weren't able to get in on this particular block of the month, please go to stitchinheaven.com and click on Block of the Month programs. We have a vast assortment and variety of quilts that we would like to encourage you to take a look at, and I'm sure there is a perfect quilt just for you. And if you see that perfect quilt, please click on the register button and get signed up right away, as these do fill up very quickly. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day and enjoy quilting your Botanica Park quilt. Thank you.